interesting topic for research. I would like to show you a couple of pictures or videos about my own participation in the DARPA challenges. My group participated in all the 3 challenges, again starting from 2004. I actually, for that, I just had a video. I don't have a video, I just had a picture because our vehicle was not really running smooth. But for the other 2 challenges in 2005, we actually reached the end of the race with Telemax, and 2007 we qualified for the race, and we didn't reach the end at that time. But anyway, again, as I mentioned, 2003 is the really starting age in my opinion, for the autonomous driving stuff. But after that, DARPA didn't really organize the other challenges and races like those that I mentioned. And it was only the entrepreneurism of different groups worldwide that started different challenges and challenging the system in different ways. And I have a couple of pictures here to show you that there has been different groups around the world working on different topics. For example, we have a nice example of people that has been working on a pretty smart and robust control of the car. So they drove a rally race with autonomous cars. And other people, like for example Google and many others around the world, have been facing the problem of downtown driving, so driving in a real scenario. We have been tackling a different problem. We've been trying to stress our technology in order to understand if our technology is good enough or what are the problems of our technology on a huge test that we undertook in 2010. So we drove all the way from Italy to China with our vehicles, and we tried to see what was going to happen with our technology along this 3 months trip. So this is exactly what I would like to focus on today. So I would start with just giving you some ideas and sharing with you what we are doing right now in our laboratory in Parma. Again, we're a small laboratory. We're not GM, we're not Ford, we're not Google. We're about 23 people working full-time on these topics. All of them are